scheme and subjects for the preliminary and main examination. A preliminary examination. The examination shall comprise of 2 compulsory papers of 200 marks each. Note: I. Both the question papers will be of the objective type, multiple choice questions, and each will be of 2 hours duration. 2. The General Studies Paper 2 of the Civil Services preliminary examination will be a qualifying paper with minimum qualifying marks fixed at 33%. 3. The question papers will be set both in Hindi and English. 4. Details of the syllabi are indicated in Part A of Section 3. B. Main examination. The written examination will consist of the following papers. Qualifying papers. Paper A. One of the Indian language to be selected by the candidate from the languages included in the 8th schedule to the Constitution. 300 marks. Paper B. English 300 marks. Papers to be counted for merit. Paper I. Essay 250 marks. Paper 2. Government strives to have a workforce which reflects gender balance, and women candidates are encouraged to apply. General Studies I. 250 marks. Indian Heritage and Culture, History and Geography of the World and Society. Paper 3. General Studies 250 marks. Governance, Constitution, Polity, Social Justice and International Relations. Paper 4. General Studies 250 marks. Technology, Economic Development, Biodiversity, Environment, Security and Disaster Management. Paper B. General Studies 250 marks. Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude. Paper 6. Optional subject. Paper 1. 250 marks. Paper 7. Optional subject. Paper 2. 250 marks. Subtotal. Written test. 1750 marks. Personality test 275 marks. Grand total 2025 marks. Candidates may choose any one of the optional subjects from amongst the list of subjects given in Para 2 below. Note: I. The papers on Indian languages and English, Paper A and Paper B, will be of matriculation or equivalent standard and will be of qualifying nature. The marks obtained in these papers will not be counted for ranking. 2. Evaluation of the papers, namely, essay, general studies and optional subject of all the candidates would be done simultaneously along with evaluation of their qualifying papers on Indian languages and English, but the papers on essay, general studies and optional subject of only such candidates will be taken cognizance who attain 25% marks in Indian language and 25% in English as minimum qualifying standards in these qualifying papers. 3. The paper A on Indian language will not, however, be compulsory for candidates hailing from the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Sikkim. 4. The paper A on Indian language will not, however, be compulsory for candidates belonging to persons with benchmark disability, only hearing impairment subcategory, provided that they have been granted such exemption from second or third language courses by the concerned Education Board University. The candidate needs to provide an undertaking self-declaration in this regard in order to claim such an exemption to the Commission. Government strives to have a workforce which reflects gender balance, and women candidates are encouraged to apply. Marks obtained by the candidates for the paper I-7 only will be counted for merit ranking. However, the Commission will have the discretion to fix qualifying marks in any or all of these papers. 6. For the language medium literature of languages, the scripts to be used by the candidates will be as under. Language script Assamese Bengali Gujarati Hindi Devnagari Kannada Kashmiri Persian Konkani Devnagari Malayalam Manipuri Bengali Marathi Devnagari Nepali Devnagari Oriya Punjabi Gurumukhi Sanskrit Devnagari Sindhi Devnagari or Arabic Tamil Telugu Urdu Persian Bodo Devnagari Dogri Devnagari Maithili Devnagari Santali Devnagari or Old Chicken Note. For Santali language, question paper will be printed in Devnagari script, but candidates will be free to answer either in Devnagari script or in Old Chiki. 2. List of optional subjects for main examination. I. Agriculture. 2. Animal husbandry and veterinary science. 3. Anthropology. 4. Botany. Chemistry. 6. Civil engineering. 7. Commerce and accountancy. 8. Economics. 9. Electrical engineering. Government strives to have a workforce which reflects gender balance and women candidates are encouraged to apply. Kissed Smiley Geography. 11. Geology. 12. History. 13. Law. 14. Management. 15. Mathematics. 16. Mechanical engineering. 17. Medical science. 18. Philosophy. 19. Physics. XX. Political science and international relations. 21. Psychology. 22. Public administration. 23. Sociology. XIV. Statistics. XXB. Zoology. XXW. Literature of any one of the following languages: Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu and English.